Welcome to the next in the series of interviews with collaborative consumption founders. My name is Imran Azam and I'm the founder of sharemystorage.com. Today we're joined by Rebecca Garnett, who is the founder of Skilio. We're going to undertake a 5-minute interview. We're going to rattle through as many questions as possible, hopefully have a bit of fun at the same time. Rebecca, are you there?
Yes, hi, I'm here, man.
Hi, how are you doing?
I'm fine, how are you?
Okay, you're not particularly nervous about this, are you?
Just nervous enough.
Okay, just nervous enough. Okay, great. We'll begin if you're ready.
Sure, bring it on.
All right, fantastic. So, your time starts now. Tell us a little bit about your background, Rebecca.
I have 12 years experience working with web-based ventures. I was head of design for Europe's leading B2B marketplace back at the dot-com boom and bust, and since then I've gone on to found 2 businesses. This is my second startup.
Okay, and that startup would be Skilio. Tell us about it.
We're a peer-to-peer marketplace for live video learning. So what that means is that we connect people from across the globe to share their skills and expertise on any subject and earn money while they're doing that. So basically we've built a web conferencing product, very intuitive, easy to use web conferencing product, put it within the framework of a marketplace, and that allows people to transact easily and build their online reputation and community around their area of expertise.
Okay, and where are you based?
We're a UK company, but I spend my time between London and France.
Oh, good for you. Good for you. How many of you are there?
There's 3 of us working on this project at the moment.
Okay, and what was the light bulb moment? What was the inspiration behind actually doing this?
I think it really came from a combination of my experience in tech, working with e-learning products and organising online boot camps for Juniper networks, but combining that with living in a sort of fairly remote area in the south of France, because I saw that all around me there were loads of people who'd made similar lifestyle choices. They were looking for more flexible ways to work and sort of get out of the rat race, basically. But as a result, there was quite a lot of financial sacrifice. So the light bulb moment came when I just thought, if we just take this technology, which is being used at enterprise level, make it really easy so that anybody can access it and put it in this marketplace framework, it's got to be a good thing for so many people, because suddenly you can earn money from anywhere in the world doing what it is that you're good at and you love.
Yeah, fabulous, fabulous. And when did you launch?
We went into open beta around summer last year, September last year. And we quite deliberately went into open beta as well fairly soon, because we wanted to test the product with our community straight away.
Okay, and the time span between actually inception of the idea and actually getting to market was?
It was about 12 months.
Okay, 12 months. And how did you go about validating the idea?
Well, immediately, the moment I had the idea, I immediately sort of went all around my network and sort of found people who I thought represented target users, and just sort of found out what were the pain points in the way that they were currently doing things, and what they ideally would like to be able to make their days, their business more effective. And happily, what they were looking for coincided with what we were proposing with Skilio. But we're always doing user testing. I mean, it's just an ongoing process. We're constantly making sure we speak to key people in our target market.
And why do you feel now is the right time to launch a service such as Skilio?
Yeah, well, I think the technology is at the right point. It's so easy to actually build something like this now and get it to market quickly. So that's been great. But I think also consumers, people are looking for solutions where they can leverage their assets, their time, and indeed their skills and expertise. We're in a credit crunch. People are looking for ways to be more entrepreneurial.
Okay, and can you share any actual success stories with us?
Yeah, we've had a couple of success stories. We had a famous French filmmaker, documentary maker, who ran a couple of sessions on Skilio, which were really well attended. That's Pierre Deschamps. And we also had a really interesting situation whereby a group of doctors grouped together on Skilio to halt the efforts of a private insurance company who were trying to pass a motion which would have had a negative effect on their particular line of medicine. And within 24 hours, these guys had grouped together from all over the country and had formulated their arguments, because it was much quicker and much more effective to do it over a platform like this, and actually were successful in stopping the motion.
Okay, great. So we've got 1 minute left to get through 5 questions. No pressure at all then. So are you currently looking for investors or employees or advisors?
Yeah, we're doing our first seed round at the moment. We're raising finance right now.
Okay, great. And what's the focus right now and over the next 3 to 5 years?
traction at the moment, traction, and over the next 3 to 5 years, building that out into different markets and categories over the platform.
Okay, and tell us something surprising about Skilio.
Well, being a bootstrap business, we've lived by our word. We've leveraged our own assets and skills and expertise. My co-founder is actually quite a successful artist, so he traded some of his paintings for work. We've rented our house out on Airbnb to raise money to put back into the platform.
Okay, 10 seconds left. Tell us your top 3 favourite collaborative consumption ventures.
Well, I have a lot of respect for anybody who's doing startups in this space. I mean, there's always the big ones, but the ones which I use the most are probably Airbnb. We've had a lot of success with that. And then marketplaces as well, like Etsy. I spend a lot of time on there. And my favourite is AMAP, which is a French food network.
Okay, you just got that in. I think we're just over time. Rebecca, if you would like to hear more from people involved in the collaborative consumption arena, please do visit our site and subscribe to our newsletter. We'll be regularly updating and providing you with further interviews and great content. Thanks for joining us, Rebecca.
You're welcome.